Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow or carry on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you.
Request taxi.
Runway 1, vacated. This taxi to gate.
Taxi to holding point runway.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 14.
Runway 1, vacated. This taxi to gate. Pushback approved at high discretion. Approaching gate, switching off.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Change to runway 16 right. Contact tower on 118.500. Change to runway 16 right. Taxi to holding point runway 1. Have a nice day. Taxi to holding point runway 1.
Turn right next taxiway.
Wilco.
Contact tower on 118.500. Pushback approved at high discretion. Approaching gate and switching off.
Roger. Closer. 3.
Have a nice day. Change to runway 16 right. Change to runway 16 right. Taxi to holding point runway 1. Startup approved. When ready to taxi.
Roger. Closer. 3.
Change to runway 16 right. Contact tower on 118.500. Cross runway approved. At parking, information, kilo meter copy. Pushback approved at high discretion. Taxi to holding point
Flaps.
runway 1. Taxi to holding point runway 1.
Continue.
Approaching gate and switching off. At parking, information, kilo meter copy.
Roger. Closer. 4.
Change to runway 16 right.
Roger runway 14. Contact when ready to start.
Holding point runway 14.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Roger.
Good day. Holding point runway. 14, ready for departure.
Stand by. Good day. Full established runway 14. Start up the crew. All when ready to taxi.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Good day. Holding point runway. 14, ready for departure.
Wind 022 degrees 2 knots. Clear.
Clear for takeoff runway. 14, call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Taxi to holding point runway
80 knots.
Runway vacated. Stand by.
V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up.
Information. Kilo at 0508 Zulu. Departure runway 14. Transition level 60. Wind 022 degrees.
Leaving 3,000 feet.
Please contact. Departure on
Flaps.
121 decimal.
Roger. Departure on 121 decimal 904.